everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to convert Clipart into a coloring book using Canva. Let's get started. First, open Canva and create a new design. Next, navigate to the Elements tab and search for Clipart. Click on Graphics. Here, you'll find a variety of Clipart to choose from. Select the Clipart you want to use and click Add to Page. Now, let's move on to editing the Clipart. Go to Filters and click on See All. Scroll down and in the Model category, choose Classic. Next, go back and click on Adjust. Set the contrast to 100 and the saturation to 100. Then, adjust the brightness value to match your image. Continue tweaking these settings until you achieve the desired result. Repeat these steps for other images in the same manner. And there you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you for watching.